Okay, the next step to getting the bezel off is you have to remove these two screws on your instrument panel that hold on the speedo. Yeah. So what you need here is a shorter screwdriver than what I got. Okay, back with a shorter screwdriver. That should work. There we go. I guess the challenging part of making these videos is trying to film yourself and work with one hand and hold the camera. I'm gonna have to maybe improve on the old technique here and be able to do the videos a little better if I get a tripod or something. Yeah, it looked like it was pretty loose to start with. Oh, mosties. Let's see. There's just these two little screws. The housing that holds the park and drive script is plastic, pretty fragile. Comes off just like that. And there's the back side. A couple little screws holding it in. Okay, so now you don't step on that part. Let's get some light on the action. This is the bezel that has to come off. It is apparently only held on by your ignition key. So that means having to take the housing out. So let's get the old Ford Galaxie key in. And we need your key. And I'm sure you've seen this on YouTube before. We bend the paper clip. So it's like that. We bend it a little more. And see, let's get myself in position here. There's a little hole there, so turn it to accessory. There's your accessory. And then a little challenging with the steering wheel here. Let's get some light on that situation. The tiniest little hole. Okay. Push the key in. Push the pin in. I need an extra hand to do this one here, folks. So I'm going to pause this. Basically, you turn the key farther to the left, counterclockwise, and the cylinder should come out. Let me see if I can do it. No, I need both hands. Pause. We got the pin pushed in, and I turn the key a little farther, and the ignition just comes right out. And there you have it. That's all there is to your ignition switch. So there's our hole. So we need to take this bezel piece off, disconnect the switch from the back, and this whole aluminum facade should come off. So that will be the next step. Okay, still trying to get the ignition switch out right here. So I've got to reach in behind it. Make sure you got the battery disconnected. Hold on to it, push it in, and then turn your bezel. One way or another. Oh yeah, I see. It's getting looser. This guy should turn though. That's the challenging part because it's spring-loaded. So you have to push the ignition switch in far enough so that you can push the bezel off the two pins that are holding it on here. So that's the challenging part, is to push. The spring's pretty strong in order to get this to spin off, and then as you can see, the plate's going to become loose. So I will work on that one.